I nothi Musa Khawula coming back with more files. Ubhala lapha ukuthi a look back at Metabong's failed attempt to cheat on DJ Zindle. Shuthi, hey, Nkosi yami. Hey, bandla. So, someone sent him this. I believe a mother is cheating. 2023, when their relationship was still fresh, I attended this one event where he was performing. So I snapped a video and posted it on my story. And he commented and said, "Where are you?" There are some messages that he had unsent. I don't know, maybe he wanted to be safe. He called and asked me to join him at his section because he likes me. I went there. We left together where they booked because he said they aren't going to sleep but to chill. When we get there, people are going to sleep. Went with him and his bedroom. Then I suddenly got sober and wanted to leave. Haibo. Couldn't let him touch me, so he got so angry, called the driver to take me to my place, and then removed me as his follower and unfollowed me. You? Nasi guys, screenshot. Hayi bandla kuningi lapho ngo-2023 I think i-relationship yabo yayisanda nje like engesanda kuqala but la nje yayingathi strong khona kakhulu kanti uMetha yena wayebusy ngala efuna ukucheat. Hayi bandla. Hey guys, let's check the comments here. Uthi lo, I genuinely want to know why men struggle with commitment. Is this not embarrassing? Like, guys, seriously, Nami, I wish to know because wow, amadoda aninkinga. Meda's cheating is just a sign that he was not happy in his relationship. Imagine being forced to wear a t-shirt with AKA's face as your pajamas every night you go to sleep. I'll cheat too. Guys, this is serious. People are making it a joke. Nothing is funny here. Kodwa phela guys, aqala ngo-DJ Zindle ukuthi achithela abafana bachitha every day ukuthi nje uDJ Zindle babantu abadumile nanokuthi nje angifuni uqamba nami nje uMurder kangithi nje ngibheka ngithi what a good man Nkosi yami nje he won't even hurt a fly kanti way hey ayibani umfana uchitha ngisho usumlungisa amazinyo ay ke ayichashe nahlekisa ku Twitter. I just know I'm a starter lawa. You've got more receipts. Plus-ke uMusa Khawula siyazi ukuthi usazoza nokuningi. Maningi ama-side chick asazophuma. Hey, asazi. Thina nje we just waiting. Mase sitholile-ke mase siza sonreportela guys. That time I thought he wouldn't hurt a fly, chomam. Silly me. Mina nawe babes siyafana. Ngangithi nje hawu cha uDJ Zindle uyitholele isalam senkosi. Kubi khona. Hey. Justice for the brother. He wants fresh stuff. Hayibo kahle Thabiso. Kahle nje. Musa, we need you at our commission as the chief investigator and we must make you the minister of spies. Guys, uMusa angazi mina ukuthi le information engaka uyithathaphi. uMusa guys u deserve award because tell me ukuthi information yamatlala wayithatha. Yabona nje futhi. Let's move on. Dilulu Zinhle is busy fighting people who are calling Bongs a dog. Lol. Nkosi yami enze njani? Yo, hayi bandla, uyakhuluma bayakhuluma, uyathula uthule, masekhuluma futhi it's a problem. Enze njani Nkoshami uZinhle? Yo, ngaze ngamdabukela. I hope right la khona. Akazi ukuchithela into ejwayelekile, but ukuchithelwa umuntu kwazi umhlaba wonke, ha ngeke guys, it's too much. Kanti uzithatha happy gaxa ingaka wena Musa, my goat? Hayi nami ngiyafisa ukwazi ukuthi uMusa indaba uzivusa happy. Hey, let's give it to Musa. Tell the truth. You have something against Zinhle ne? Hayibo, uMusa, I don't think he has anything against anyone. Uzithandela nje umgosi, uzithandela nje ukhipha igaxa. I do not think he has anything against anyone. That's just my opinion. Zinhle is not stressed about this. She's just stressed about Sima calling her husband Inja. That's what's breaking her heart, according to her. Hey, Buffett. Men will embarrass you. Hey, ngiyakutshela wena. Futhi othi yena akaze embarrass umuntu wesilisa. It's coming, my darling. It is coming. They will embarrass you. That's what they do, nje. Yo, abantu. Hi guys, ngithe ngithi ngiyahambela laphayana ku-story sa DJ Zinhle, ngifuna ukuba mhlawumbe uthi yini ayipostile or uphendulile or anything. Ngabona ukuthi uposte laphayana ubhala ukuthi it's all happening at the same time. Yo, angazi ukuthi luhusho ukuthini, but ngicabanga ukuthi nje Nkosi yami, she's going through a lot. Yo, kungada. Hayi bandla, kwaze kwabuhlungu. Guys, that's it from me okwamanje guys. I'll see you on my next video.